guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get into deep conditioning again. I know a couple of weeks ago I shared my favorite deep conditioners and why it's important to deep condition your hair. But today I wanted to walk you guys through how I deep condition my own hair. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get on into it. So today I'm using a wide tooth comb, hair ties, my favorite deep conditioner, and a shower cap. And of course you'll need some source of heating method. So first I start off on wet, clean hair, and I part it into 4 sections. Parting it into smaller sections helps you work the product through your hair better. Next, I take my wide tooth comb and detangle the section. Always again starting at the bottom of my hair and slowly and gently working up. After the section is detangled, I put it into a little braid or a little ponytail and just section it off. So I continue this process on all 4 sections of my hair. Next, I take a plastic shower cap and I cover my fully conditioned hair. Now I'm going to wait 30 minutes. When deep conditioning, if you want to add a boost to your regimen, try using a plastic shower cap or some sort of plastic to cover your hair after you apply your deep conditioner. Next, you'll want to apply low heat to your covered hair for about 30 minutes. This is going to create a steaming effect. The steam is going to lift your hair cuticles, which will allow the deep conditioner to penetrate deeper into your hair shaft. What this does is it maximizes the benefits that your deep conditioner will have on your hair. Now it's time to rinse the conditioner out. At this point, your hair should feel so soft that your fingers are able to run through. Then I take my wide tooth comb and I further detangle while I'm under the water. Notice how shiny my hair looks right now. It just looks juicy, nice and moisturized. So I'll continue to rinse out my entire head. And again, I keep my hair in the 4 sections. My hair is really thick, so breaking it down, it just helps the process a lot more. Breaking it down into smaller sections also helps me work more thoroughly through each section. So this is my hair after I've applied my leave-in conditioner and my gel. It's still wet here. And you'll just notice that it looks moisturized, it looks shiny, it looks juicy, and I like to attribute a lot of that to my deep conditioning. So I've been deep conditioning my hair once a week for 30 minutes ever since I went natural. Especially in the cold season, you guys want to definitely make sure that you are getting into your deep conditioning. The winter air can sometimes cause your hair to dry out, and that can lead to breakage, and we all know we want to avoid that. If you have any other questions on how I deep condition, then go ahead and leave a comment below. I love reading those, and I love hearing from you guys. And if you liked this video and you enjoy a little bit of natural hair mixed with wellness, then hit that subscribe button below. I post new videos every week, so stay tuned. And until next time.
Baby, I like your stuff.
Grips on your ways, front way, back way.